You join me in Barnwell, South Carolina for Operation Stonebreaker, sponsored by FTX Tactical. So let's get into it. With boots back on the ground and an unforgettable experience, it's time to join my team as we flank around the western boundary to secure critical key camps to score points. So let's get it.
Are we good?
I believe so, yeah.
Nice. He thinks so.
Is it like 0000 or what is it?
Let me check. What's the code in there right now?
Count for 10.
Count for 10?
Yeah, 200. Easy 7, easy 6.
Alright, now everybody's moving. Go, go. I'm gonna hold security here. Yeah.
I think things are about to get hot, guys. Get ready.
After cresting the hill, we found another camp to secure and join up with another squad from our team to begin assaulting the primary green control point.
Howdy, hey?
Yeah. Apparently every once in a while they fire a volley of LMG fire in here and then hurtle the fuck back in. Option 2, if you want to, we're trying to get back to the top of that hill with Baker Company.
Cordell, let's do
Your
that.
choice what you want to do.
Let's get
Or
on
if you wanna
top of the
try to
hill.
Stay hanging out, stay loose, and stay here at Sierra. That's on you.
Our squad, let's go for this hilltop. Let's take it. Let's go. Let's go.
We got smoke, man.
What do we want to do?
I think it's cool.
Keep pushing, I'll take these bars.
They're up on that roof, top roof, to my 12 o'clock.
Concrete wall, right side! No, shoot from behind. Hey, the smoke's gonna clear right. The smoke's gonna move right.
Are we taking that red car? You don't got time to test your woman. It's all right.
I'm fixing my phone.
Hey! You got medic stand? Yep. Where'd you get hit from?
Left side. He tried getting cocky and pushed. Oh, they're out.
Where'd it land?
I don't know.
Further down the hill.
Hey, right side, right side.
Got him. Got him.
We got a bunch of this burn bar, right?
That's not. Have him drive up. Drive up! Drive up! Can you drive up here?
Come on, get up here. We're running. Good.
Fuck's sakes, dude.
What?
We're good.
Hey!
You're hit.
Son of a bitch.
You got another med building.
You got another med? Here. Give me your hand. That's why I couldn't do it. It's gotta go over your hand. You're good, you're good. You're back in. This guy's just running out in the open, not getting hit, so can't be that
Just
bad.
want to get better eyes. So is it just coming from the roof mainly?
We're getting some on that, and then there's that rooftop up there.
Left side. Is that,
got-
that technical's down though, right?
Yeah, they got it.
Alright.
If we can push up,
Yeah, we need to push up to this red car and
Can we-
make a stand.
you want to push to that
tried.
berm?
You saw how that went.
We got plenty of guys right.
He's pushing
Is
up.
that enemy?
I think he's pushing up.
We're taking fire. Straight.
Two
Watch
down,
your
two
head.
down.
Watch your head.
Victor.
You got a band?
It's my last life.
Here, hand. You're good.
Yeah, I don't know if they're getting it from that rooftop or what.
Make a hole, make a hole, make a hole. Technical's coming up for support.
Follow that tech, follow that tech, go, go, go.
No.
Look who I ran into. We got Brad and
Bailey.
Bailey. That's what I thought. Nice to see you guys.
See ya.
Funny enough, 4 years ago on this exact day, I was with these two at Operation Echo Crisis.
We go left. Gotta try to get some of our buddies up.
Yep, hold.
Exactly right over this bird. They're in the, you know that pipe area right there?
Is this Tactop Airsoft?
Oh, what'd you say?
So is this Tactop Airsoft?
Oh, it is.
Hey, nice seeing you again.
Go now, boys.
You gotta get it deep. No, that's not deep enough.
Not deep enough?
Yeah,
No. See where the pipes are?
they're
They
behind
literally
them.
just have a wall in those pipes looking at us. Oh!
Are you hit?
Yeah, I guess I got hit.
Off what?
That's my last. Dead.
From where?
It must have been down where this bush is to the right. Somebody's got a line.
Spread out left. I'm gonna try. I'll let you get with something. Hey, careful. I think I heard an enemy. Fucking on.
Yeah.
Seeing no hope to crest this, I fall back to flank around.
That's great. Go.
After clearing a mostly empty building, we finally make it around to the eastern boundary.
No, you cannot, Carl.
Wait, you're tan?
We still got guys over there. Come on.
Should we go in? Yeah, we haven't ever gone in.
Skipping the empty room clearing, we pop out here to find a small enemy squad.
Let's rush to that white.
That's the green over there.
That's enemy.
Yeah, it's green.
Hey, we got one over here still.
One everywhere.
Over here by the dead guy.
There's the one in the brush, right?
Yeah. I can't tell what he's doing.
On left. Hit it!
Dude, really? I hit you.
I shot you first.
No, you didn't.
Yes, I did. You
That was the cleanest trade ever.
I watched you go around the corner.
As you say.
Fucking win. Good shit.
There you go.
There you go.
That's okay. I got it.
Yeah. Put it right back. Alright, what's the sit rep? What you got? You guys have been here longer than us. Huh? What's the sit rep? You guys have been here longer than us. I don't know. I mean, there's some down on that yellow building, but a lot just ran up the hill. There's like 2 in the bus, 1 behind our tan technical. Okay. And then if you peek left, there's like a little outdoor hallway that one was in, but he ran. Alright. So I think he's probably in the bus.
Isn't that an enemy right here?
There's one enemy behind the tan technical. His feet? Pretty sure that's the enemy.
Yeah.
Shoot in the butt. I gotta find my shoe.
He called it. He called it.
Hey guys, here's this. I would go into the building.
Hey guys, let's go in. Let's go in. Come on, come on.
That guy over
Shortly after this, Phase 1 would end, so the next half will be Phase 2, and thankfully the rain is finally gone.
Get down, get down. You good?
I don't even see that now.
I think they're in the doorway. Maybe we should go around.
Remembering the path from Phase 1, I attempt to flank the squad, holding our forces at bay. Seeing nobody out here, I try to make my way back through the central buildings to see what I can find.
Super.
No, you're not. He thinks I shot you.
I was gonna say, you're definitely hitting him.
Is that tan?
That is your guy.
Okay, thank you. I can't tell.
Good shit.
I was surprised. I was like, I don't think I was like, I'm gonna come around the corner and get smacked in the face.
Nah, we were busy fucking with other guys. Not to mention neither of us. The NDD.
Sorry, I couldn't see it. Guys, in this building under us. In the building under us. In the building under us. Right side, I got the one on left.
There's a sniper out there, I'm pretty sure.
Huh?
There's someone down in the blue mountain. He's like right underneath.
Oh man, my X-Fog is dead.
Hit, nice. That glass, nice. Ah. Sorry guys.
What are you shooting?
What do you mean?
Like, what FPS are you shooting?
No idea. I just know it's legal.
Shortly after I turned off my cameras, my squad from the roof would make their way over to me to medic me and get me back into the fight.
I'm holding this left corner, Tristan.
Yep, I'm watching.
They just popped a grenade, a smoke, they're gonna be coming. Hold that corner, guy, I got you.
Blue smoke coming, they're gonna push maybe. Oh, got it. Oh, running.
Where did you get that muzzle device?
I custom 3D printed it in aluminum. It's my design. And
That
then
is fucking awesome.
it slips over a Bifrost too, so the mouth glows.
We need to talk.
Hey, Woodland Viper Airsoft.
Woodland Viper?
Yeah, check.
I'll check you out.
Enemy's on that side, enemy's on this side. Tactical
Enemy
right there,
technical,
green
mini
tag.
gun. Enemy technical.
Infantry as well!
I was like, there's no way he's not hit. Technical moving up, guys behind this.
Other side of this, lay down.
Tuck in tight.
Cover these if you want us. Good on Kyle, he's alone.
Watch your side. Brad, get out of there! Get out of there! We need to get our guys back in over here. You're alive! You didn't get hit! Get up!
No, alive is that I just they're alive now.
I got it. You've been revived, boys! Get up! You all called it. He's like, it was too far out. You all made it 10 feet. Guys, what?
Is it down?
Guys, get more over here when you're back in. That's a death trap over there. They can fire straight in.
Oh shit, you're with the Viper.
Hey,
Hey man. Hit forward.
long time no see. You been having fun?
Oh yeah.
Where's Tack Top?
He's on the roof actually.
Is he?
Yeah.
Let's make it look tactical. Grab my shoulders, boys. Come on. Come on, we're going up. How is it up here?
Not too bad. We've just been calling out things. I don't really into command.
Huh? Oh, thank you.
Doing good?
Kyle, Tristan, Cordell, you done your vape break over there?
Since we seem to have the roof overwatch under control, I'd make my way down below to check on key objectives.
Oh my god, it's a box! I'm just... Remember when we got murked here?
Yeah, I know, right? It was so much fun.
Good memories.
I was in that first one for the car, so it was a big one.
Oh, good basket. What do we got?
There's a couple guys close, I think. And there's definitely some guys up on the road.
You guys are back in? Hell yeah. I was coming for you.
That's all good. Tristan got me. Oh shit, dog. I was ready for that. Where did I get hit from? The fucking technical? Oh, it's not in there. If all three of them guys ain't dead, I'm gonna fucking be pissed. In here? No, it's not. Switch.
No, there's a guy out in the bushes. There's a guy out in the bushes, Cordell.
Alright. How many did you get? I should have got all three of them. Good.
He's right in that gap of the bushes.
I'm out of water. Fucking.
Need one?
Huh?
Need some?
Not right now. I'll get some then.
Hey, watch those bushes. There's a guy hiding in them. Just don't get whacked out there. Cordell, Tristan, how you guys doing?
I came right
Medic? Dan? Medic?
No, he's enemy. That's green. That's green. Don't medic that. Don't medic that.
Yeah. Back to me. Anybody got a pistol? Yeah. Just close your eyes real quick. All right, I got you.
I can't believe you almost did that, Cordell.
Back where we were.
Dude, you're good.
Nice
That's
play,
like,
though. Nice play.
Dude, that's had to been like the 5th time. Like, you're good. You're good.
I look like so close. I can't tell.
I'm right behind you. I'm gonna cross. Cordell, Tristan, don't get stuck in there.
Dead, buddy? Yo. Dead.
You good?
I don't see anybody.
Is that technical up?
I think they might be dead and going back to spawn.
What do you guys want to rush?
Onyx is where you caught that
Hey, my comms are down, so if you guys move, make sure you get me. My comms are dead, so
radio.
yeah, if you guys move, like tap me or something, I can't find you anymore. You guys want to rush this big thing of like the bushes? Get up in there. There's one of us at it on the right. He's trying to get that guy that's dug in.
I'm okay with that. That sounds like a good plan as long as we get at least 2 of us in there.
I can be medic.
Well, you're faster, so I'm
I'm ready when you are. You good?
Tick.
Hide in the brush, it can't shoot. You guys alive?
Still good. For some reason it didn't stay down, Tristan.
Hey guys, they're medicing up on that berm. Tristan, can you come medic me?
Yeah, am I safe too?
I mean, if you army crawl.
Shut your fucking mouth.
Army crawl, like get low, get low. Don't stand.
Shut your fucking mouth.
I'm hit.
You're my shield right now.
10 guy, get the fuck down.
Here, put it on.
Lay down, brother.
Oh my god. You're my hero. I'm just nervous. I'm sorry. This is yours as well, your Norbert patch.
Yeah.
It fell off.
I'm just wait. I'll call myself in once they stop shooting at me. Fuck.
Ah, fuck. Hit!
Ah, dead.
He's hit. We're all hit.
That's all of us. Good shit, man.
Would you like an interview, sir?
Sure, what you got?
So, who do we have here today?
Woodland Viper.
Woodland Viper?
Yeah.
So, what brings you out to GTI today?
I got sponsored by FTX to come out and play, so
Okay,
just checking it out. This is my first time. Is dog friendly?
Yeah, dog's friendly. This is Apache. She's 8 years
Apache?
old. Yeah, she's a Belgian Malinois.
That's an amazing name. I have a German Shepherd named Ranger.
We have one out here named Tater.
Yeah.
Cool dog, not friendly.
Yeah.
I said that on camera. Not friendly.
So who you guys all with?
We are with Raven Airsoft Group, or Raven, the 228th Raven Battalion.
Okay.
This is my XO right here. So we're all based out of Alabama, Mississippi.
Oh, nice. Quite the
Yes.
drive.
So it's not too bad. It's way worth the drive. It really is. I think the one that's probably going to kill me the most, maybe not for him, but maybe for me, is the Crescent operation. That's actually
Crescent?
Crescent. That's actually
NPA?
come up here in
Yeah.
Pennsylvania.
Yeah, I'm right
so
next to them.
Are you guys?
Yeah, I actually own the non-profit airsoft field, Ashburn Airsoft Field. So,
Really?
Yeah. So we do everything for free, just try to grow the sport.
Okay.
So we host games like twice a month. We actually have a game coming up in 2 weeks. It's our big fundraiser event.
I can't make it. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. But that's awesome. Thank you guys.
Shameless
for coming
shout out.
Yes,
yeah.
sir.
Check us out.
What's up, man?
Hey.
Everybody's sleeping.
Wish I could relive every single word. We've taken different paths and traveled different roads. I know we'll always end up on the same one when we're old. Why not? Trenches and you're under fire, I will cover you. If I was dying on my knees, you would be the one to rescue me. And if you were drowned at sea, I'd give you my lungs so you could breathe. I've got you, brother. I've got you, brother. I've got you, brother. I've got you, brother. Oh, brother, we can go deeper than the ink beneath the skin of our tattoos. but you're my brother and I love you, that's the truth. We're living different lives, heaven only knows if we'll make it back with all our fingers and our toes. 5 years, 20 years, come back, we'll always be the same. If I was dying on my knees, you would be the one to rescue me. And if you were drowned at sea, I'd give you my lungs so you could breathe. I've got you, brother. I've got you, brother. And if we hit on trouble water, I'll be the one to keep you warm and safe. And we'll be carrying each other until we say goodbye on a dying day. Because I've got you, brother. I've got you, brother. I've got you, brother. I've got you, brother. If I was dying on my knees, you would be the one to rescue me. And if you were drowned at sea, I'll give you my lungs so you could breathe. I've got you, brother.